Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone not receiving emails. Now, if you have the email or mail app open, the first thing we're going to do is swipe up and close out of that mail app. After we've closed out of that mail app, let's swipe down from the top right and make sure it's not an issue with your internet connection. So first we're going to toggle airplane mode on and then wait a few seconds and turn it off. And then the same for Wi-Fi. Let's tap on it to turn it off and then tap on it to turn it back on. Now, after we've done that, let's just double check and make sure your internet connection works just by opening up a web browser and going to a random website. Now you can see, all right, this loads up youtube.com. So my internet is working. Let's open up the mail app again and swipe down. This should allow it just to refresh and load new emails. But again, you can see it's not showing up with anything. So there are other things we can do to get this fixed. Let's first just go into the App Store here. Now within the App Store, we're going to check to see if there's an update. So let's just search for mail and hit search. After you've done that, you'll be able to see here is the Mail app, the Apple Mail app. If it says update right there instead of open, just tap on that update button to get the latest version. And then you're good to go. You can open it up and check it again. However, let's say it just says open. It doesn't have the update option. The next thing we're going to do is get into your settings. So tap on settings. And from here, let's go to specifically the settings for your Mail app. To be able to do that, we're going to go down to the bottom to apps, and then we're going to go to the M section here. And then from here, tap on, there it is, mail. Now on here, you can see mail accounts. You might be having issues with one mail account or multiple. Let's tap on the mail accounts here. And for instance, let's say we're having trouble with Gmail. Let's tap on that. And on here, the first thing you can do within the settings is toggle mail off, and then wait for a few seconds and then toggle it back on. Essentially, this will reinitiate and repopulate all of those emails into the Mail app. If that doesn't work for you, let's tap on account settings here towards the bottom. And on here, let's make sure that that name and email address are correct and tap on SMTP here. Now this should say on, and if you tap on it, you should see that the server is toggled on. If that is off, make sure to turn that on and then just hit done. Now, after we've done that, let's go back and tap on advanced at the very bottom. And a big culprit is this use SSL. If this gets turned off for whatever reason, it could cause issues with your phone connecting to emails. So make sure that use SSL is turned on. Now, if you go through all of these steps and it's still not working for you, the next thing we're going to do is just get out here and tap on delete account. You'll be able to see it says it will delete this mail from your phone, including the calendars and contacts. However, after you've gone through and tapped delete from my iPhone, all you need to do is go back and hit add a new account. And then just enter in that email address for that email that you just deleted. And essentially that will allow you to reload it and reinitiate all of that activity for the mail. After you've done that, let's open up the Mail app and just swipe down again. If it still doesn't work for you, the last thing you can do is hard reset on your iPhone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until we see the Apple logo appear. So I'll show you how to do it. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. We're going to continue to hold it even though it says slide to power off. And the next thing is your iPhone screen will go completely black, just like that. And then we'll wait a few seconds and then the iPhone logo, that white iPhone logo, will appear. When it does, lift your finger up and it will do a hard reset, a lot of times fixing bugs and glitches, including that Mail app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.